Wow, this is really exciting to be here at the School of Veterinary Medicine at Texas A&M University. My name is Chris Westfall, and I'm really excited about the VIS Challenge. It's an innovation summit for veterinary medicine where I've had the pleasure of working with 14 teams from around the world who are bringing new ideas to life here on campus. And I want to introduce you to one of the entrepreneurs that I've had the pleasure of working with. With me today is Stephanie Young. Come on out here and say hi. Say hi to everybody. That's everybody right out there. Stephanie, last year your company, your team, SkyPaws, won the VIS Challenge, and I only have one question for you. How'd you do it?
First was a lot of practice. We had practiced for quite a few pitch competitions. So we had the vet prep one, and then we had Aggie pitch, and then we had this one the next day. And we went in just wanting to get exposure because all the teams there were so great. And so we relaxed and just kind of gave our pitch, and it was the best one I think we've ever given.
Really? At the VIS?
Yes.
Wow. Well, it got you in the winner's circle.
It did.
You know, one of the things I remember when we were working together, you were really able to connect with your own personal story and connect with the audience. And how important is that connection? I mean, maybe for the teams that are watching this or the people that are going to come see it, how important is connection in terms of bringing a pitch to life?
I think connection is one of the most important things of a pitch. If you don't get your audience in the first 10 seconds, they're not going to listen to what you have to say. And so if you connect with them with something that they've probably experienced or could experience, they'd be more likely to buy into what you're going to say soon.
Gotcha. Well, tell us a little, just a smidgen about SkyPaws. Can you share just a little bit
Yes.
about what it is, and not just what it is, but if you can, a little bit of what it means to you?
Yes, so SkyPaws is a completely wireless vitals monitoring device for pets in hospital. So when you go to the hospital, they hook you up to all these wires and they can tell you to sit still, but they can't do that to dogs. And so they normally don't get monitored in recovery or when they're not asleep. So we've created a device that can be placed onto the patient and stay for around 8 hours and monitor all the necessary vitals. And so SkyPaws has been really important to me because it's pretty much what shaped my college journey. SkyPaws was originally a science fair project in high school, and then
Wow.
we did pretty good, and then I came to college and decided that I didn't think that this was what I wanted to do. I didn't know how to
When you
afford
say
it.
this, what do you mean this? Your
Just
project?
the science fair project in general.
Oh, really? You didn't think you wanted to do it?
No. So I went one semester trying not to think about it, and then my second semester I was able to meet with Dr. Massacre, who was the head of innovation here at Texas A&M in the vet school. And he connected me to the VEA and the VIS and a bunch of different opportunities, and it allowed me to jump right back in and make it better.
Wow.
And so through all those opportunities, I met Bree.
That's her partner.
Go
Bree is her
forward
partner.
together.
She's not here today. She's in class. Well, that's an interesting story. You know, as they say, if you want to be an entrepreneur, you'll never make it. But if you have to be an entrepreneur, good luck. And that good luck happens when you are working with good people.
Yes.
And you can bring good ideas to life. And that's really the mission of the VIS. That's really the mission of this summit, is to help good people bring good ideas to life so that we can be of service not only to the human patients, but also the furry ones that need our help, whether we're talking about large animals or small companions, whatever the case may be. But that's what's on tap for the VIS battle. Congratulations. I didn't get a chance to say it, but congratulations on your victory last year.
Thank you so much.
Well deserved. And I'm grateful that I had the opportunity to work with you and to work with all the teams this year. So please come and see what's going on here. Come and see where innovation lives and see what's happening at VIS. It's happening the first weekend in April here at Texas A&M University. My name is Chris Westfall. Thank you so much, and thank you for watching this video.